welcome back to my channel. I am Jason, and in this video we are going to do another unboxing, obviously, but this is actually going to be a new subscription box to me. This is the Newbeauty Testtube subscription box, and just to give you the basic information, Testtube beauty box, it looks like it is $29.95 per month, and you're supposed to get 8 products valued at $180 or more. So like I said, this is my first box, so let's see what I've got. It came in this box here, all right? So just pretty much a plain old mailer with the Testtube on it. When you open it up, inside you're gonna see this, and I think usually the Testtube comes in a test tube like this, but it looks like it has a couple items that would not fit in that. So let's go ahead and just pull out the items that we've got. First item, okay, is a Dr. Brandt item. This is microdermabrasion age-defying exfoliator. Renews skin and radiance. Polishes and smooths, help diminish the look of fine lines. Dr. Brandt. And this is a 2-ounce. So I would assume that this is probably a full-size product. And when you pull it out here, it is in a tube like this. I have heard of Dr. Brandt. I can't remember if I've got any products from them before, so I'll give this a try and see what this is like. So there's that. I don't see a pamphlet that talks about the items and what the retail value is right now. Maybe when I open the tube, it might be in there, but let's look. The next item is this here, and this is thermal Avenue. I'm not even going to try. This is a thermal spring water. So I'm really not quite sure what this is. I would assume that it's like maybe a face spray to kind of like refresh. So soothing, softening for sensitive skin. Okay, well, I'll give it a try and see what this is like. That'll be interesting to try. And let's go ahead and get into the test tube. So there's this that comes in the box, and let's see what is inside of this. Okay, so let's pull out. I don't see a card with the description of the items, but it looks like there's actually quite a few items in here. So let's go ahead and pull this out first. This is Colab's dry shampoo. Okay, I am actually really glad to get this because I have never used dry shampoo and I have always wanted to try it. So I don't wash my hair every day. So the days that I don't wash my hair and feel like it's getting a little bit oily, this says amazing oil absorption without white residue. All right, well, I'm excited to try this out and see what this is like. From Colab. I've never heard of it. Let's look and see what else is inside of this box. We have Vivi Vita Plus Cleanse and Care Hand Sanitizer. All right, well, that's good. Hand sanitizer. It's a nice size bottle too. Never, especially now, you can never have too much hand sanitizer. So let's see how, yeah, yep. Oh, it's actually kind of got, it does have that alcohol smell, of course, for the sanitizer, but it also has, I can detect like maybe a slight fresh floral scent to it. So that's nice. All right, happy about that. Let's pull, okay, so let's see. We've got a gift card in here. This is Beauty Care Choices, a $10 gift card. So this is nice. I'm not familiar with beautycarechoices.com, so we'll look and see what they've got on their site. And let's see what this is. This is Dr. Dennis Gross, and it is a hyaluronic marine melt-away cleanser. I would assume that this is maybe to take off makeup. I'm not quite sure, or just a regular cleanser. I'm not sure on that. So let's oh, it's got a safety seal on it, which is good. So I'm not going to go ahead and peel that off right now, but another new item to try. So far, I'm happy with what I'm getting in this box. Let's pull out, let's see, I've got this, what is that for? Is that for this? Yes, all right, so we have this Sunday Riley Saturn Sulfur Acne Spot Treatment Mask. So they give you the little pamphlet on that. This is the actual product. This definitely feels more like a sample size. I'm not a really big fan of masks that you've got to put on that way. I prefer like a sheet face mask, but I'll give it a try because I know that Sunday Riley is a pretty good company. So, and I don't think I've tried anything from Sunday Riley. So, we'll see. All right. Let's keep going. We've got 3 more items, and this next item is Floetic, and it is Find Your Edge Liquid Lipstick. And because, let's see, something red, UA red, it looks like the color. Again, as you see in my little title to the video, I'm blind in one of my eyes, actually both of my eyes, but more so in my left eye. So it's hard for me to read a lot of these items. All right, come on. Let's see, this is not gonna cooperate with me, and I'm gonna have to open the other end and push it out. There we go. I do wear lip products. This is interesting. Oh, it's, Let's see what this is interesting. It's got a clicker on one end. So, oh, interesting. So when you pull the top off, it's got a little pad here. So I'm assuming that you just click it. I'm gonna see if when you get actual lip product coming out. Is there anything in it? I don't see anything coming up so far. Let's try turning it upside down, see if that helps. Oh, there, finally. I see a little bit of it coming out there. Well, wow, okay. That is the liquid lipstick. It feels very smooth. Huh, interesting. I've never had a lipstick like that before. I don't know if this is something color-wise. It feels like it'd be a little bright for me, but yeah, I don't know. I'd have to look in mirror. I can't really tell just watching in the video, but it feels okay. I mean, it's not sticky. It's not doesn't feel heavy, so interesting. All right, well, that's a first for me. Floetic liquid lipstick. And next item is Dr. Zenobia. I've heard of Dr. Zenobia, but I don't think I've ever tried anything from Dr. Zenobia. This is Essentials, another hyaluronic acid plus peptide serum. Okay, so it's just a little pump. I'm not really sure. Oh, okay. It's very kind of like a, let's see if you can see it there. It's more of like a gel serum. Doesn't really have a scent, which is good. Okay, well, that was one pump, and that there's a lot on there, so a little bit is going to go a long way on that. But all right, give that another try. Again, product that I've never used. It looks like there's one last item in here, and this came in a nice little pouch like this. Let's see what this is all about. So this is, let's take the card out. 8 Saints. Try the entire line for $10. And let's see here what this is all about. This is 8 Saints Cloud Whip. C cream. Okay, so vitamin C, antioxidants. So vitamin C cream. Again, it comes with the safety seal, so I'm not going to go ahead and pull the safety seal out. But another item that I've never used that will be good to try out. And let's do a quick recap of what I got in the this test tube. So we have the vitamin C cream that I just talked about. We have the Dr. Zenobia hyaluronic acid and peptide serum. All right. We have the liquid lipstick, the Floetic liquid lipstick. We have the Sunday Riley sulfur spot acne treatment. And we have the Dr. Dennis Gross Melt Away Cleanser. We also had the $10 gift card for beautycarechoices.com. We have the VV Cleanse and Care Hand Sanitizer. We have the Collab Dry Shampoo, which I'm actually really excited about. We have the Dr. Brandt Microdermabrasion Age-Defying Exfoliator, which I'm also excited about. And we have the Avene, I'm not going to know how to say this, but this is the thermal spring water. Okay. And I think that is it for this box, but that's quite a few items. Again, the cost of this was, what was it, $29.95. So I definitely feel like you got your money's worth in this box for sure. Let me know if you've heard of this company, what you thought of the items in here, if you've tried any of these items, what you think of these items. And yeah, so I'm excited. That was a good first box for me. So I'm excited to see what the next box has to offer. I definitely am getting more into the skincare now than I am the makeup. So I'm glad that there was a little bit of combination of makeup and skincare, but predominantly on the skincare side. So anyway, it's good. I'm happy with that. So let me know what you think, and that'll do it for this video. As always, everybody stay happy, stay healthy, and I do have another video that I just put out with my second giveaway. So take a look at that. I will link it below. That is my Ipsy Glam Plus versus my Ipsy Mystery video. So again, I have a giveaway in that video. I'll link it below, but take a look at that video, and that'll do it for me.